All right, I just want to show you guys this Google Chromecast. That's what it looks like here. This is the power end, and this one connects to the TV through a HDMI port. And then the other one goes into a PowerPoint at the back. So this is really good if your TV is an old one or isn't a smart TV, because it just pretty much broadcasts whatever you have on your phone. And it's really good if your TV is a smart TV as well and doesn't have the app that you want, or streaming service you want on the app selection. So I've connected to my iPad. So all you have to do is connect it to your local Wi-Fi, and your devices also on the same Wi-Fi. And then you should, when you go to the app, so if you go into the app, so Amazon Prime Video, I've connected to, you should have this little window icon here. And I've set up to be displayed as family TV room. And now it's thinking about it. Now it's connecting to this old TV. This TV is probably 8 years old now, maybe 10 years old. And we had to get the Foxtel box to get the apps, but without it, you can pretty much play anything off your iPhone and iPad. So it's ready to cast. It takes a little bit to connect sometimes, but it does connect. And then you can start watching your stream service. So you can watch any movie on Prime Video, Disney Plus, or anything like that.